Planned farm permaculture fuses the best version of nature and modern luxuries into an exquisite experience. This public company is a proper practice of eco-planned agro-tourism on a various part of Nepal. Planned Farm Public Limited, head office in Bharatpur 28 Jitpur, Chitwan around vicinity of Chitwan National Park. This public company focuses on connecting the residents to the harmony of nature, access to the best amenities. Emphasizing the development of permanent agricultural systems that mimic the diversity, stability, and resilience of natural ecosystems. Some of the core principles include care for the earth. Permaculture emphasizes the importance of protecting and preserving the environment. It encourages the use of sustainable practices that promote soil health, water conservation, and biodiversity. Care for people. Permaculture seeks to meet human needs while ensuring social justice, fair access to resources, and a high quality of life. It focuses on creating systems that are beneficial for both people and the environment. Goal is to create integrated and self-sustaining systems that require minimal external inputs and have minimal negative impacts on the environment. Permaculture farms, also known as planned farms, apply permaculture principles to agricultural practices. These farms aim to create sustainable food production systems that work in harmony with nature. They often focus on regenerative farming techniques such as agroforestry, companion planting, soil building, and water management strategies to create resilient and productive ecosystems. Planned farms aim to minimize or eliminate the use of synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, and other chemicals, relying instead on natural and organic practices. Overall, Planned Farm Public Limited promotes sustainable, residents too, agro-tourist and holistic approaches to agriculture, aiming to create resilient, productive, and environmentally friendly food production systems.
Planned farm permaculture, concept of agro-tourism.
いいよこのスワッグ俺たちにしかないスワッグ肩の力抜いて